Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Bev, aka Momo B Diamond Paints. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the hive. I upload videos on a weekly basis. Today we're going to be looking at the post-completion of Peaceful Evening, legally licensed from Liam Kelly, and it is a Dreamer Designs kit. This is the first Dreamer Designs canvas I've ever worked on, and I wanted to just do a post-completion review for you guys. If you look in the video in the eye here somewhere, there's going to be a link to the previous video I did about this canvas. I did a partway review, so I wasn't completed the painting yet, but let's just do a post-completion one. So the drills on this were good. The only complaint that I had were there were some tabs on the drills. Because of that, there is a lot of spacing issues, and there's not a lot, like I didn't have a lot of pop drills or anything like that, but there's just spacing issues because of the tabs. I tried to get rid of as many of the tab ones that I saw so that they didn't actually end up on the canvas, but there is some spacing issues over here. You can see it mostly in the light color. And if I run my finger around it, there's also some drills that had like dents, or like, I don't know what to call it, but they were kind of rough. They weren't like, I don't know, they weren't completely smooth, I guess you could say. So they had like a dent or something, and when I run my hand along the canvas, I can feel one or two of them where it's like the rough ones. And so if you see me going like this and then I'm like pushing something down, that just means there's a drill that's kind of popping out. I didn't seal this diamond painting. I don't know if I'm going to. I don't know what I'm going to do with it actually. This isn't something that I would want to display in my house. I got it because I like the image and everything, but it's not something that would go with the decor, because, you know, my house is so fancy. It wouldn't go with the decor of everything. But I like doing this painting. It was a lot of fun, minus some of the issues with the drills that I experienced. I really like where they put the special diamonds, so the ABs. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a whole bunch in the foliage and like the trees and the flowers here, and then there's a whole bunch as well in the sky. So anywhere you see this white color, like over here, in the tree or in the little bush over here, that's an AB. And then there's like a green color, and anywhere you see that green color, it is an AB. So that it was nice to have some AB scattered throughout the entire painting. I really like that effect. And now I'm just going to take you on a hover view of the diamond painting so you can see it a little bit closer. That was the little tour of the painting. I hope that you found that helpful. Again, this is Peaceful Evening by Liam Kelly. It is legally licensed from Liam Kelly by Dreamer Designs. You can find it on their website. I do believe it was on sale when I purchased it. I got this and another kit, but I do like, this is my first Dreamer Designs. I liked working on it. I had fun. I would order from them again in the future, but I would have to like the art a lot to get another canvas from them, just because it was annoying to pick up, having to go to the post office to pick up this order. It didn't get mailed straight to my door, and I had to pay customs as well. So I don't really like the little hassle. I know it's just like a small thing, but I don't know. I just find it easier when they come directly to your door, and I find it easier or nicer when you don't have to pay an additional fee, and it's a fee that I can't myself estimate. Is there a way to estimate customs fees? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not going to go more into detail into this painting, you can watch the previous video I did when I was working through it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. What do you think of this diamond painting? Is this something you would hang in your house? Do you like Dreamer Designs? Tell me all the things. Leave me a comment below. Like this video if this was helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe and join the Hive. I post videos on a weekly basis. Talk to you guys later. Bye!